Kim Kardashian just called this laser a miracle, her exact words. And when the most photographed face on the planet says a treatment is a miracle, the internet listens. Appointments book out overnight. But here's what nobody's actually explaining: what it does and the 3 things Kim conveniently left out. I've been around this world long enough to know that the word miracle is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence. So let's get into it. The treatment everyone's whispering about is a radiofrequency laser. It uses targeted heat and energy to go deep beneath the surface of your skin, way past what a regular facial ever touches. That heat triggers what's called a wound healing response, which is just a fancy way of saying it tricks your skin into producing fresh collagen and elastin. Those are the 2 proteins responsible for tight, bouncy, young-looking skin, and as we age, we lose both. These treatments force your body to make more. That's the actual miracle. It's not magic, it's biology. Quick pause, because if this channel has ever helped you feel a little less lost walking into a skin consultation, the single most meaningful thing you can do for me is hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and I see every single one of you who does it. Okay, back to the lasers. And Kim is not the only one. Jennifer Aniston has said for years that her secret is lasers and a great moisturizer, not some mysterious gene she won the lottery on. She's been completely open about it. These women aren't crossing their fingers and hoping. They are quietly getting treatments that rebuild their skin from the inside out, on a schedule with a real provider. That's the part the glossy miracle headline skips right over. Now here are the 3 things Kim didn't mention. 1, and it's the big one, it is not one and done. One session won't transform your face. These work over a series, and the real results show up weeks later as your skin rebuilds its collagen. Anyone promising a miracle in a single visit is selling you something. 2, your results are only as good as the person holding the device. Same laser, 2 different providers, completely different outcome. Settings and technique are everything. 3, the laser isn't a replacement for taking care of your skin. It's an amplifier. Here's the myth I need to kill, that all lasers are the same or that one machine does everything. They don't. Some resurface the surface for texture and tone, that lit from within glow J-Lo is rumored to love. Others, like radiofrequency microneedling, go deeper to tighten and lift. Picking the wrong one for your concern is the most common and most expensive mistake people make. And if you haven't subscribed yet, seriously, what are we doing? Hit that button so the next one finds you. So what do you do with this? Get a real consultation before you book anything, so someone assesses whether you need surface resurfacing or deep tightening, because those aren't the same treatment. And between sessions, your skincare has to hold up its end. A real retinoid, plus a growth factor serum like the ones from Alastin or SkinMedica, keeps your collagen working while you wait. Medical grade genuinely matters here. It's not the drugstore stuff. If you want the in-office version of all this, with a provider who actually knows the difference between these lasers, the place we personally trust is linked below. No pressure, just a genuine pointer. My question for you in the comments: would you try a miracle laser, or does the word miracle make you side-eye it the way it does me? Tell me below, and I'll see you in the next one.